हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल केमविन अकेडमी। Myself, Dr. Neeta Gupta. I am a product of MS University of Baroda, Gujarat. I did my post-graduation from MS University and I am proud to announce to all that I am a gold medalist during my MSc. Later on, I pursued my further studies with PhD in field of polymer science. I am a chemistry educator, connected with this field since last more than 15 years. I am having my own institute, Keimvin Academy, and I am also a visiting faculty in many of the schools for standard 11th and 12th chemistry, and many personal coaching classes, professional coaching classes where they are related to JEE and NEET and other state board examinations. जब मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपना एक brief introduction शेयर कर रही हूँ, तो I would like to discuss what will be the important topics, areas which I am going to cover while I am going to prepare my lectures for online video channel. Of course, important topics related to JEE NEET chemistry will be the special focus. Then earlier asked questions will be included in all those sessions. There will be live sessions. There will be brainstorming sessions which will be covering all the important areas and all the important earlier asked questions from JEE NEET and other state board examinations. This will help the students to understand the concept more clear and in a better concise manner without getting confused, and all the clarity in the mind in respect of clearing of concept. So please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe the channel, and of course अगर आपने अभी तक बेल आइकन नहीं दबाया है तो please click the bell icon so that you can get the latest update of my released videos. While I am talking about all these important points, I would like to discuss students के साथ कि how to prepare, कैसे अपने subject को prepare कर. It is a big question mark for the students, and so with the transition from standard 10 to standard 11th, they are confused with lots of material that are available in the market. क्या पढ़ूँ मैं, क्या नहीं पढ़ूँ? So these are the important questions. कंफ्यूज्ड है, माइंड बिल्कुल ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि किस तरीके से आगे अपने आप को बढ़ाए, क्योंकि आफ्टर 12th इट इज़ इन स्टेप 2 टुवर्ड्स द कैरियर, फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम योर स्कूलिंग लाइफ टू मेकिंग ए कैरियर लेवल. So should I go to so many books, so many materials that are available on the net? No. This is not the answer. So answer lies here. Watch my videos which will help you to understand the concept in a very easy, clear and interactive manner. So chemistry should not be a mystery, it should be an easy learning process, and यही मेरा motive रहेगा. This will be my main motto, that student should feel that satisfaction and in after viewing my lecture, that easy interactive lecture in the form of exhaustive material that they can download from the links which will be given along with the lecture in the form of PDF file. Then of course interactive lectures होंगे जिसमें brainstorming quiz होंगे जो उनको help करेंगे. Ultimately learning of chemistry will be a fun. Chemistry made easy will be my main motto. In the end, I would suggest the students they should ask a question to themselves एम आई सेटिस्फाइड, क्या मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ आफ्टर व्यूइंग द लेक्चर्स? अगर वो सेटिस्फाइड है सो इट इज़ ए सक्सेस टू मी. सो दैट गोज टू दैट कॉलर अप फॉर नीता मैडम. सो ऑफ कोर्स providing maximum utmost level of satisfaction, that will be my main motto. कुछ ऐसी वाली फीलिंग आनी चाहिए मिस्टर बीन के फेस में जो दिख रही है ना. सो दैट सेम फीलिंग students should feel on their face, on their mind ultimately. So yes, going Neeta madam's lecture, that is an ultimate. उसके बाद कहीं और नहीं जाना है मुझे, ऐसा ही दिमाग में आ जाए तो बस मुझे और क्या चाहिए. आई विल बी थैंकफुल टू माई स्टूडेंट्स दैट दे आर गिविंग सो मच क्रेडिट टू मी. फाइनली आई वुड से a very big thank you to all my dear students for watching my videos. Please like and share my videos, subscribe my channel, and of course अभी तक अगर आपने बेल आइकन नहीं दबाया है तो आपको मेरी बार एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी रिक्वेस्ट है. क्लिक द बेल आइकन so that you can get the notification for the latest update, my latest released videos. And till then जल्दी मिलते हैं with new energy, नए enthusiasm के साथ, नए लेक्चर के साथ, and of course some very interesting topic के साथ जल्दी मिलते हैं. Till then have the best of your time, all the best, enjoy करते रहिए and साथ में पढ़ते भी रहिए. Till then bye, have a nice day.